Hello and welcome, Victor here from Multifunction Crewe. Today I will be showing you around the Skoda Karoq 1.5 TSI ACT SEL DSG, finished in stunning blue and powered by 1.5 litre petrol engine producing 150 PS. This SUV pairs everyday practicality with smooth automatic efficiency. Up front, this Karoq features full LED headlights with adaptive front lighting system and integrated LED daytime running lights. It rides on 18-inch Braga alloy wheels, which are styled for a clean, confident look and designed for both motorway refinement and tight town agility. At the back you'll find LED rail lights, high mounted brake light and subtle privacy glass. The boot offers flexible practicality complete with folding hooks, nets and removable torch. Thanks to 60/40 split folding VarioFlex rear seats, it easily adapts to weekend trips, flat pack furniture or big family shops. Passengers in the back enjoy adjustable headrest, rear reading lights, air vents and handy folding tables. ISOFIX points across the rear bench make it ideal for family use. Up front, comfort is key with height adjustable and heated front seats, manual Lumbar support and center armrest. The dashboard features chrome accents, soft touch materials and practical storage including under-seat compartment and cooled glove box. The 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel gives access to media, calls and vehicle data, and behind it the color trip computer keeps vital driving stats in view. You get dual zone climate control, which ensures consistent comfort for all passengers, and the infotainment system offers DAB digital radio via the Bolero system with Bluetooth and USB. You also get connectivity with SmartLink Plus, which offers Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. The system also features satellite navigation and car menu with various settings for the vehicle, including assistance, as well as feedback from the parking sensors. This has been a presentation of Skoda Karoq 1.5 TSI ACT SEL DSG. For more information, visit us online or give us a call today.